I come to Metairie Sinus Center for a couple of different things: allergies and sinuses, headaches, swollen sinuses. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I look at myself and I know that I'm swollen and I need to get in to see one of the doctors. And when I come here, I'll get a shot, I'll get medication, and I know that I feel better. By the time I get to the car, sometimes my allergy problems are already starting to feel better. And then I get the medication that the doctors here at Metairie Sinus Center recommend, and within a couple of days, I'm back to normal, back to new. And so that's why I come here. It's a great place, a great treatment center for allergies and sinuses. I had a leak in the of the spinal fluid, spinal fluid, and we had to do surgery again. But he was so patient through the whole thing. And, I would come often. I was like a regular here. I said, "You're going to put my name on a chair," because I was here so often. But he wanted to be sure before we went in and did surgery again. And so he said, "Well, I think it's time. I think we need to do surgery." And went into the same surgery site and patched it. Really did a good job. Patched the ear back up, and I've been fine ever since. It was, I was to the point of having vertigo from it, and my life has, totally changed. And but I still have allergies and still come to him, and I wouldn't want anybody else to treat me. He's like a family member. I mean, really, he's like a family member. You see him, I see him out in the mall or something, it's like I'm running into, a nephew or something. So he's the best. I would recommend him to anybody. In fact, I do recommend him to all my friends. He's just the best at what he does. I've been a patient of the Metairie Sinus Center for maybe 18, 16 years, something like that. And, it's always a pleasure to come here because the staff is so nice. The doctors are so nice. They're patient. They care about their patients. They do whatever they have to do to make you feel better. And they're not afraid to try things or to recommend things to you, even if it's to see another doctor for a consultation, which I love because they're so sure in what they do. The doctors will do whatever it is to get you better. So yeah, this is the place to be. Metairie Sinus Center is the best in the city as far as I'm concerned. Love the doctors, love the care that I get here, and love the whole staff. Really a good place.